Hello again. This is Twaha from marketersidea.com. Who actually have no knowledge about HTML and CSS? The WordPress is a fantastic CMS for them. CMS means Content Management System. So we can build a website using WordPress, and there is so many free plugins in WordPress which can easily help to build desired website. To make our work easy, these plugins are created, and using these plugins we can make our website very functional and easy. So Contact Form 7 is a communication system between visitors and website owners. When a visitors come to my website, and if he want to communicate with us, he can easily contact with us using this form. If they have any query, he can write his query to the form and can submit. The visitor's query or information came to us by email, and we can communicate with our visitor or customer. So this is an awesome feature. I'm going to show you website grameenphone.com. See, here is a contact us form. So if we click this forms, see, here is a contact form. Visitor can easily communicate with the customer cares or Grameenphone owners by filling this form and send and submit. See, here is first name, last name, email subject, email, phone number, GP number, other number, package, option, and message body. Visitor can write his query here, fill this captcha and submit. Then this email go to website or Grameenphone owner or customer care, and they will see the message by email. They can take action. In this way, their customer build up and customer can satisfied. So in this video, I'm going to show how can install these plugins to your website and how can we use it. Let's go. So first of all, you go to your website admin panel and see there is a dashboard, and the left side you will see a plugin option here. Go to the plugin option, add new. See, here is a lots of plugins. All is about contact form, but I'm talking about this plugin, Contact Form 7. These plugins actually installed more than 1 million active installers. You see, many using these plugins for their website contact form. How many? 1 million plus. So first of all, we need to install. Just install it and then active. Okay, so now we already successfully installed the Contact Form 7 in our WordPress. In the next video, I will explain more about this. So stay with me. Thank you.